Well, hello there. It is me, Stan the Man here. And, do you want to build some bridges? Because I want to build some damn bridges. Now, I really suck at this game. So, if you have to excuse me for how bad this is just gonna look. Alright? Okay, so let's get this. No, I don't want that. I want this. And just make it go across here, like so, like so. So difficult. My life is so hard. Okay, now we're going to need. No, what was that? No, no, stop it. No, I don't want you to do that. What the fuck? Cut it out. Stop it, game. Quit being a dick. Just work. Thank you. Now I want you to connect right there, like so. Only this to be kind of like that. No. I don't need this to come out here. Man, I've played this level so much. My God, I suck at this game. Okay. What am I trying to do? What am I trying to accomplish with this? Okay, so I can do this, and then do that, and then do this, and we sorta have triangles. Because if you don't know, triangles are the most important thing to bridges. Just because, like, I don't know, physics, I guess. This looks terrible. Okay, that should be good. Lovely. Okay, great. Okay, run something connecting here. This. Something cheaper to go right there. No game. It's not what I wanted to do. I didn't want to do that. Look at you, being all stupid. Making me look quite foolish. Go down one more. Thank you. And thank you. Now try this. Okay, great. Now we just need support and junk here. So I'm going to grab some iron. Or steel. It's steel, not iron. And do this. And then I'm gonna do... No, I don't have to do that. I can do this. I use this one. It's much cheaper. Much lighter. Not as strong, but don't need it to be super strong. It's not super heavy. Okay, well, we're getting close. We're getting close. Just got to get these over here to... No, don't do that. Don't mess me up, game. And, no. Okay, so I'm not gonna get 3 stars. Since when do I get 3 stars? And since when do I care about 3 stars? Okay, this looks pretty solid. It's pretty solid. It's an angle going. Okay, beautiful. Holding up. Yes. Oh, yeah, okay, that level actually took me a while, but first time on here, and I instantly just do it right, because I actually think for once. Triangles are very stable. See? What I tell you. Okay, can I zoom in? No zoom. No zooming? Can I zoom button? Never mind. Nope. Okay. I just want all these. No, stop it. What are you? No, it's not. Stop it. That's not right. Okay, whatever. Yes. Yeah, okay, you know what? You guys don't have to watch. Amazing. I'm so good. So good. I thought And I was wrong. I'm sorry, guy in the truck. You didn't need to go out that way. Okay, so... Oh, no, I don't know what's going on, but... I know one thing's for certain. This piece right here is surely holding up just fine. So maybe I can just do this, and I know all that is completely fine. We can put triangles here for stability. Okay. Okay. Now, no, stop. Be correct. Thank you. No, what the fuck? Stop it. You little shit. God, don't make me get angry. Okay. Okay, now what? Now what's going on? Mouse. Okay. Stop. No, my wire got it stuck beneath my mouse. Okay. That's dumb. This is dumb. Maybe. Maybe not. Okay, definitely not. It's definitely gonna need support under here because I'm a fucking idiot. Okay. Still no. That's great. That's great. Okay, we can make a triangle out of this though. Oh yeah, all kinds of isosceles triangles down here. Still no. That metal just can't hold it. But this steel can, I know that. I was wrong. Okay. Alright. We can put some cable here. Maybe that'll keep that steady. Maybe. Just maybe. Nope. Surely not. Surely not. See, this is why I would be a terrible architect, because that's just not what bridges look like. But I'm an idiot. At the highest degree. Okay. Plan B. Okay. For 1 star, just 1 star, will this hideous bridge get my truck safely across the bridge? Well, the waterfall or huge gap? I don't know, and I highly doubt it. Can't even stay put together long enough for it to get on there. Cannot even stay put together long enough. This bridge falls apart as soon as it's like, just... As soon as it exists, it just can't handle it. It's like, nope, this ain't for me. I wish I could use hints, but I'm broke. Will I degrade my humanity to watch an ad so I can get help? I think I will. Okay, so I totally didn't watch an ad. Yeah, I did. You know I did. I said I did. I paused it. And in the video, I even said I did. Anyway. This makes me feel very stupid. This game does a good job of making me feel very, very ill-minded. And very, very, damn it, it's happening now. I can't even think of the good words to say it. Look what this game's doing to me. This game's making me feel very degenerate. But it's okay, game. It is okay. I don't feel like doing all the freaking triangles. You know, it says triangles are helpful, but it doesn't tell me where to put the triangles. Like, here I am making freaking origami underneath the bridge, hoping it'll work. Doesn't work. I have very strong feelings about this. It's gonna break. gonna break. No? Huh. Okay. But since I got a hint, I am not settling just for 1 star. Since I degraded myself enough to watch an ad, I'm not settling for 1 star. No. I am settling for freaking 3 of them. Three stars. You gotta make very small triangles. Least amount of money as possible. Put one here. Right here. No. Not what I said at all. Not what I said or did at all, game. Now stop making my movements false. Quit falsely accusing me of fucking monkey surgery. That doesn't work. That doesn't work. Doesn't work. Nope. Even with triangles, with triangles, it refuses to work. It refuses to give me 3 stars. Game. Okay, I have another solution to this problem. Could it give me 2 stars for degenerating myself enough to watch an ad? Silence. Okay, so maybe I can get a 3-star solution. Okay, guys, that's been it for this video. Subscribe. No, how about first, let's actually have people watch the videos before I ask all those huge favors. Okay, goodbye.